Savage. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Viney Wash period, and today I'm giving you a Pop Smoke inspired look. Yes, let's get started. You need a pack of KANEKALON hair, and you should probably part your hair before doing any braids. As you can see, my part's not the best, but I have 5 on each side, 5 sections on each side. I actually did a test braid before I got started on all the other sides, but I'm using the Got To Be glue, and I'm applying it to smooth everything out, and then I'm just gonna start braiding. Before I add any KANEKALON hair, I'm gonna braid it halfway down. Then I'm gonna take small amounts of hair and I'm gonna add it in, similar to catch feeding. And you're just gonna keep braiding it down. Honestly, I did not want my braids too thick because I was afraid that it was gonna give me a headache, and also I wanted to be versatile, so if I wanted to add any beads to the end or even just wear it in a bun in the back, I was able to style it more. So as you can tell, I'm just adding hair in. I think I did at least 4 groups of hair strands. And you're just gonna keep braiding it all the way down. Done with the second braid, I'm gonna now start on the third braid. As you can tell, I'm doing the same format, braiding a little before adding the KANEKALON. Then I add a small amount of the KANEKALON, and then I add more until the braid gets a little thicker. If you're wondering what the white stuff is, it's probably a combination of Got To Be glue and gel. But the perfect thing about it is, once it dries, you will never notice that white spot was there. But you're gonna keep braiding down. You're gonna apply the same method that I originally told you. Add some braid, add some braid. Now that I'm looking more at this video, I'm noticing my parts was not the best. But as long as you get the drift of where I'm going with this, then you should not have any problems. But you're going to just keep braiding. Now I am going to start on the last braid. Okay, as you can tell, I'm braiding some. And then I'm going to add some. So you braid some and you add some. And honestly, if you don't want your braids this small, feel free to add more hair. That's all you have to do to thicken your braids up. So I'm braiding everything down, and as you can tell, I am adding hair and braiding it down. Now, one side is fully completed. Yes, I think it's 5 on this side, and then I'm gonna start on the other side. I'm using the same format. I am braiding some down, then I'm adding hair, the Yankee hair, and I am braiding it down, adding more hair. You're doing the same method on all of the hair. Do you see how easy it is when everything is already parted for you? You just have to start braiding. So as you can tell, I just braided it all the way down. I add gel if I feel like it's necessary to the braid to make sure it's smooth. But you're just gonna braid everything down. And now let's start on the next braid. I'm braiding some without hair. Then I'm going to add some hair whenever I feel like it's necessary to start adding. I'm not even using a lot of hair, you guys, honestly. I didn't want my hair to be so big. I was afraid that it would have aggravated me, especially when the braids by the ear part. Oh my god, I hate anything touching my ear. I hope I'm not alone. I probably do. Anyway, just keep braiding it down. So now that I'm completed with braiding that down, I'm gonna start on the next braid. We're getting closer to the front, you guys. It wasn't so bad for my first time, at least I think. I need to get better with parts, but hey, I didn't really have a mirror because I was standing in front of a camera. But as you can tell, I'm braiding something down. I'm braiding it down and I'm adding hair. My hair is really thin, so I didn't need a lot of hair. But I'm just braiding it down. I'm adding my got to be blue, and I'm also adding hair, as you can tell. So I left a lot of the braiding videos on there because I wanted you guys to see like how long it takes. It can really be time consuming. But we are now on the last braid, and I am going to braid my real hair down, and then I am going to add some. It is most important for the front to be lit because that's the part you can see. So if that part not lit, then girl, your hair just not lit. But anyway, yeah, as you can tell, I am adding hair as I braid down. I'm definitely gonna keep these in until quarantine is over. This is a great style to protect your natural hair. And you don't want to forget about the baby hairs, people. The baby hairs is what defines the hair. It's weird. It's like buying a Christmas tree but not putting ornaments on it. There you have it. Baby girl hair is done. That natural hair is gonna be lit. And it's a perfect protective style. Until next time, stay beautiful, peaceful, and lit. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.